Okay, this is the next project. It's a kind of cheap Chinese scooter. Picked this up for free. It was the person's roommate's scooter, and she moved out and left it and just wanted it gone, so they gave it to me for free. Looks like it's been sitting for 10 years, it says. Unknown issues. Can't tell the mileage on it. Super rough. No key, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Looks like someone's been in here before. I think the seat comes up pretty good. At least we got a can of carb clean, so that should help us. So I'm gonna get this disassembled, and then you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, let's get this seat off. Someone's taken it off before, so it's pretty easy. Oh, jeez. Looks like somebody tried to clean it before. Looks like the bowl's not even on. See some screws down there. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this body panel off just so that we can see what we're working with. Now that this is taken apart, it's been sitting outside for a long time. Super dirty. Looks like everything's there though, which is a good thing. So this is all of the different body panels. We have taken all of them off, and we're left with this. So this gives us a chance to clean this thing up super well. Now we have access to the ignition switch that we don't have the key for. Just gonna be able to access everything a lot easier now. Let's get this spark plug pulled off. It's a small type of spark plug. Had to switch from the big one to the small one. That doesn't look too good. But we can clean it up and let's see if we have any compression. Kick it. I think we have enough to run, so. Okay, like I said, we don't have a key, so I'm gonna just try to drill out this ignition. Okay, so we got that drilled out. We now have a on position, and we have spark, so I think that's a success. Okay, we have spark now, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of premix down the spark plug hole. Just so we can see if it starts up. There we go. It runs. So I'm gonna get the gas tank cleaned out, get the carb back together, clean everything up, and we'll see if it starts. Okay, so I'm looking at this carb and someone started to take it apart. Doesn't look too bad, but I was trying to figure out the slide inside isn't hooked up to the throttle cable, so I was trying to figure out how that works, and I popped off this cover and there's a spring inside and it's like a diaphragm, and so when you push the slide up, the diaphragm comes up. I've never seen this before, but I guess it's just some type of maybe vacuum, maybe fuel goes in there. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna just try to make sure that slide's working properly, clean up the rest of this, and then it should be good to go. Okay, we're gonna get this gas tank taken off. Okay, so we had to take off the seat bracket, the seat release that sat back here, and now it comes right on out. Okay, I'm gonna get this thing washed down a little bit, get it cleaned up. I don't want to use the hose because I don't want all the electrical to get wet, but So we got this carb rebuilt. Super nice and clean now. Now this opens and closes very nicely. So, gonna get this back together. And since someone took this off, I need to go buy a few more screws, and then I should be good. Clean carb, new fuel line, and a filter. So we're gonna put some gas in it, see if it will start. Drained out all the old gas in the gas tank. So here we go, first start. Nice and smooth. First kick.
Get some leakage.
Not too bad. So we're gonna get this oil changed in this so that we can make sure we have some fresh stuff in here. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's add some of the new stuff in. It kind of has a few hiccups, but I mean, not too bad, I don't think. Here, dude. No,
How does
dude.
it feel?
No, dude. Dude, here. We're not doing that. Okay, we got it all back together. A lot of different plastic pieces and screws, and got everything cleaned up.
How easy was it to put back together?
2,100 miles on it. This is just a little bit of an access point down to the carburetor. Gas tank.